Mistakes agents are making when they put a house up for sale. They're putting 7 different front angled pictures of the front of the house. You don't need that. You need to put the top 10 pictures at the beginning. If it has a pool, don't leave it for the 48th picture. If it has a detached garage, don't leave it for the end of the pictures. You don't need to put all 50 pictures up if you have 50. Put your top pictures. Make sure you put your top 10 at the beginning, and then if you got 20 pictures, put 20. But do not put garbage pictures like hallways, a picture of a door, a picture of a 2-piece bath that's dated. You don't need to put that in. Put the best in.